Hello, beautiful babes. Sweet Angel here. Today, I'm so excited to share my morning skincare routine with you. The perfect way to start the day with fresh, glowing skin. Taking care of your skin in the morning is so important because it helps to cleanse away impurities, hydrate, and protect your skin from everything the day throws at it. I'll be walking you through my favorite go-to products that keep my skin feeling refreshed, nourished, and ready to take on the world, from gentle cleansers to hydrating serums, and of course, a good SPF. I've got everything covered to help you achieve that healthy, radiant glow. So grab your favorite skincare goodies and let's dive into my morning skincare routine. First up in my morning skincare routine is cleansing, and I always make sure to use a gentle, hydrating cleanser to prepare my skin without stripping its natural barrier. My absolute favorite is the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. This cleanser is perfect because it cleanses and moisturizes in one step, leaving my skin feeling fresh and hydrated. I love its creamy texture, which lathers up into a rich foam, so luxurious. It's especially great for dry, sensitive, and normal skin types like mine because it gently removes makeup residue without any irritation. Plus, if you're dealing with dull skin or rough texture, this cleanser works wonders to brighten and hydrate for that healthy glow. And the best part, it pairs beautifully with an electric cleansing brush, giving my skin that extra deep clean it needs. If you're looking for a cleanser that leaves your skin feeling soft, smooth, and radiant, this one's a must-have. Next up, I tone, and I'm using the Face Shop The Therapy Vegan Blending Toner, which I absolutely love. Toning is such an important step in my morning skincare routine because it helps to balance my skin's pH, provide deep hydration, and prep my skin for the next steps. This toner is truly special. It's an organic, vegan, and eco-friendly formula that works wonders for improving elasticity and deeply hydrating my skin. I love how soothing it feels, and it's perfect for keeping my skin plump and refreshed throughout the day. Whether you have dry, sensitive, or normal skin, this toner helps to lock in moisture and leaves your skin feeling soft, smooth, and ready for the rest of your routine. If you haven't tried this K-Beauty gem yet, you're seriously missing out. Now it's time for one of my favorite steps, vitamin C serum. I'm using the Day Mellow Vita Ferrol 23 serum, and I want to thank Day Mellow for partnering with me in today's video and sharing with me this amazing product. Let me tell you, this little bottle is packed with goodness. Applying a vitamin C serum is essential for brightening the skin, fighting free radicals, and boosting collagen, giving you that beautiful radiant glow. This serum features a powerful 23% pure vitamin C ascorbic acid, which works wonders to fade dark spots, even out skin tone, and give your skin a mega boost. But that's not all. It's especially formulated with centella and glutathione, making it perfect for sensitive skin, acne-prone skin, and those dealing with uneven texture. What I really love is that it contains vitamin E and ferulic acid, which helps strengthen the skin barrier, shrink pores, and restore smooth skin without irritation. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants that protect against environmental stressors, keeping your skin looking fresh and youthful. And don't worry, this formula is super safe. It's free from harsh ingredients like parabens, so you can use it with confidence. Here's a quick tip. After cleansing and toning, Apply 3 to 5 drops of this serum all over your face and allow it to absorb for 1 to 2 minutes before moving on to the next step. Since vitamin C is sensitive to oxidation, be sure to store it in a cool place. Refrigeration helps keep it fresh longer. Trust me, if you're looking for a way to achieve glowing, healthy skin, this serum is a must-have in your routine. Check out the description box for this particular vitamin C. I do have a Ready Shop link for you on Amazon. So, easy shopping, and you're going to be glad you got this one. All right, now let's talk about niacinamide, one of my must-haves for achieving smooth, radiant skin. I'm using the ordinary niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%, and this serum is amazing for helping to brighten, even out skin tone, and reduce inflammation. Whether you're dealing with blemishes, dullness, or uneven texture, this powerhouse formula visibly improves skin radiance and smooths texture in just 1 week. Niacinamide is such a versatile ingredient. It works to regulate oil production, minimize pores, and calm redness, making it perfect for blemish-prone skin. Plus, the added zinc helps to further control excess sebum and support your skin's barrier, leaving it looking clearer and healthier. To use this, after applying your vitamin C serum and letting it absorb, take a few drops of this niacinamide serum and gently pat it into your skin. It's lightweight, it absorbs quickly, and it layers beautifully under moisturizer or sunscreen. If you're looking to achieve a more balanced, glowing complexion, adding niacinamide to your routine is the way to go. Now it's time to hydrate and plump the skin with one of my favorites, the ordinary hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. This multi-depth hydration serum is a game changer for anyone looking to achieve smoother, plumper, and healthier looking skin. Hyaluronic acid is known for its ability to attract and retain moisture, providing immediate and long-lasting hydration that leaves your skin feeling soft and supple. What makes this serum even better is packed with ceramides and vitamin B6, which help to strengthen the skin barrier and lock in moisture for that dewy, fresh face glow all day long. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, this serum works wonders by delivering hydration where your skin needs it most. To use, simply apply a few drops after your niacinamide serum and gently pat it into your skin, letting it absorb fully before moving on to your moisturizer. Trust me, your skin will thank you for this extra boost of hydration, perfect for maintaining that youthful, glowing complexion. Once I've applied my serums, I like to speed up the absorption process by drying my skin with a fan, and for that I'm using the Gaia mini portable fan. And this cute little pink fan, yes, it's not only small, but it's powerful, and it also has a stylish design that's just fits perfectly on my vanity or in my hand. With 3 adjustable speeds, I can choose the perfect airflow to gently help my skincare products settle into my skin, giving me that fresh and pampered feel. Whether I'm at home or on the go, this lightweight USB rechargeable fan is super convenient for travel, touch-ups, and even those quick refreshes throughout the day. Drying your serums with a fan like this helps them absorb more effectively, leaving your skin feeling cool and ready for the next step in your routine. If you're looking for a fun and functional addition to your skincare routine, this mini fan is a must-have for every stylish girl on the move. To lock in all that hydration, it's essential to follow up with a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer. I've been using the Antioxidant Defense Serum by Meticulous Skincare, and while I've had this one for some time, I believe it's currently unavailable, but no worries. Just find a light moisturizer that suits your skin type and needs. This serum was formulated to neutralize free radicals, enhance protection against UVA, UVB rays, and prevent premature signs of aging. It's packed with antioxidants like 15% L-ascorbic acid, vitamin C, 1% vitamin E, and 5% ferulic acid. It works to combat oxidative stress and environmental damage, leaving the skin radiant and protected. If you're looking for a great alternative, consider choosing a lightweight, antioxidant-rich moisturizer that provides similar hydration and protection. Finding the right moisturizer is key to maintaining a healthy, glowing complexion, so make sure to choose one that suits your skin's unique needs. And of course, we can't forget lip care. To keep my lips soft, smooth, and hydrated throughout the day, I'm using the Your Lip Balm. This balm is perfect for locking in moisture, protecting against dryness, and giving your lips a natural, healthy glow. Whether you're dealing with chapped lips or just want to maintain a supple pout, this balm has got you covered. This formula is packed with nourishing ingredients that work to deeply condition and prevent moisture loss, making it an essential part of my skincare routine. Simply swipe it on and enjoy hydrated, kissable lips all day long. I found it on Amazon. I'm not sure if you can still find it on Amazon or not, but I will try to put a link down below for you if you want those kissable lips. And finally, the essential last step in my morning skincare routine, sunscreen. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays is a must, especially when using active ingredients like retinols and acids. I'm using the Dark Spot Korean Sunscreen by Dominus. This sunscreen comes in a 2-pack on Amazon, so check it out. And is formulated to provide SPF 50 UV defense while keeping your skin hydrated and glowing. Now, what I love about it, there's no white cast, making it perfect for all skin tones. It has a non-greasy formula, so it won't clog your pores or feel heavy. And it's packed with niacinamide and panthenol, which help brighten and soothe the skin while offering protection. And it works great under makeup or on its own for a fresh, dewy look. Applying sunscreen every morning is a non-negotiable. Did you hear what I said? Sunscreen every morning is non-negotiable to prevent sun damage, dark spots, and premature aging. So don't skip this step. Your skin will definitely thank you later. And remember, the sunscreen needs to be SPF 30 or more. Remember that. And hey, there you have it, beautiful babes. My complete morning skincare routine. Taking care of your skin is a form of self-love. With the right products, you can achieve that healthy, glowing complexion you deserve. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this routine or found it helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and skincare faves. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep glowing. Bye for now.
She looks in the mirror, sees a story unfold, lines of laughter, dreams untold. Through the years she's walked so strong. Now it's her time, she can't go wrong. No matter the season, no matter the time, the glow in her heart still shines so divine. She's got that fire, that spark in her eyes, ready to soar, ready to rise. It doesn't matter your age, you can still be that girl, dancing through life, giving love a twirl. Dreams don't expire, and beauty won't fade. You're a diamond, breakable, never afraid. She's been through the heartache, weathered the storm, still standing tall in grace she's adorned. Wisdom and wonder wrapped in her soul. Every new chapter she's taking control. No matter the season, no matter the time, the glow in her heart still shines so divine. She's got that fire, that spark in her eyes, ready to soar, ready to rise. It doesn't matter your age, you can still be that girl, dancing through life, giving love a twirl. Dreams don't expire, and beauty won't fade. You're a diamond, unbreakable, never afraid. So wear your crown, let it shine. Own your story, every line. Lift your voice, let it be heard. You're a queen, you're the one. It doesn't matter your age, you can still be that girl, living your truth, letting love unfurl. Time can't define you, nor set you apart. You're forever young, with a